Right, if a patient is to be given 15 or 1,500 mils using a controller with a drip factor of 15 drops per mil, the infusion starts at 8 AM, right? Starts at 8, right? Starts at 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 hours gets us to 12. Then there's a break. Then we're at 1 PM here, 2 PM, 3 PM. So that's 2 hours after the break and 4 hours before the break. There's a total of 6 hours. 6 hours. We're going to be dripping for 6 hours. The drip rate was set at 25 drops per minute, right? So we want to find out how many drops in total. 25 drops per minute. We multiply 25 by 60. That'll give us the total number of drops per hour. 25 multiplied by 60. 6 5s are 30. 6 2s is 12 and 3 is 1500. So we have 1500 drops per hour. Now the total drops, we have 6 hours, so we're going to get 1500 and multiply by 6. 6 zeros, 0, 6 zeros is 0, 6 5s is 30, carry 3, 6 1s is 6 and 3 is 9. 9,000 drops. This is our total drops. 9,000 drops in total is what this patient is going to receive in the 6 hours, right? 9,000 drops. We want to figure out how many mils that is. Now our drip factor is 15 drops per mil. So each mil, in order for a mil to be used, we need to have 15 drops. 15 drops equals 1 mil. So if we see how many times 15 fits into 9,000, we get the total mils, right? So we're going to divide 9,000 by 15, and we can cancel. 5 into 15 goes 3 times. 5 into 9 goes once, and 4 over. 5 into 40 goes 18 times. No, it doesn't. 5 into 40 goes 8 times, evenly. Right? So 5 into 0 doesn't go, 5 into 0 doesn't go. So 9,000 divided by 5 is 1,800. Alright? That makes sense. It does. And now we can cancel again. 3 into 3 goes once. 3 into 18 goes 6 times. 3 into 0 doesn't go. 3 into 0 doesn't go. So you end up with 600 mils, right, in total over 6 hours. That's the number of mils used. The question is how much liquid will be left. So 1500 mils minus 600 mils, right, that gives us 900 mils left at 3 PM. That's a tricky question there now.